They are getting big. It's like a forest down here. Quarantine, they don't even know what it is anymore. This is what I do for fun.
You can't fight this.
Built this, built a pulley system, some weights, you know what I'm Three on the garden. We put the, we put this in today, cement, buckets, and so those are gonna dry, take 24 hours. We dug the trench today.
Force of nature.
Out on your walk. Yes. Yes. You have a good walk. Oh, you a little camera shy. Home for a walk. Oogie. Well, they're talking about politics, but this is day 3 of recording. Pretty much day 4 of working, but we set this morning. We set some more posts. We set up these 3, and my dad did those 2. I did these 2. We've got this last one to go. Okay, so we're on my break here at lunchtime. Got the doors coming in, the concrete setting. Tomorrow morning it'll be set. We finished up this trench. We gotta put some more dirt in there, but right now at the moment, we're working on raising the beds.
Delete that then.
Pretty good.
I like that.
Yeah, you good boy. And we also zip tied the net to the metal fence inside all the way around. And that wasn't too fun, but we got the job done. We've got going. Haven't been filming. We've got the time lapse down in the basement on the plants. But what we've been doing is we've put some fishing line all the way across on the top, connected to these dowels, and it holds up the netting a little bit better. And we've also got some that go all the way across, and they say the vibrations, they keep the deer out, and some birds, but we'll see. But yeah, it looks really good. It's pretty much complete. I'm gonna put the plants in tomorrow. Like I said, we're gonna do the lettuce tomorrow. Coronavirus has gotten real.
I just put in my phone, Ace.
Inside the COVID-19 testing. So at Danbury Hospital, there's no video permitted. The GoPro's a no-go. So I'm gonna just use my phone. Pretty cool, we're here. They've got like testing stuff. They better do one right now.
Those are like serious duty cop cars. And like 500 ambulances.
I mean, we were at the hospital. Just got some COVID tests. We're going in.
No photos, it says.
Good.
Yeah.
Your window all the way down, please. Your car and park, and then turn it off.
Okay.
Thank you. Hi, ready?
Hi.
I'm gonna have you take this to cover your mouth, okay? It's gonna be a little uncomfortable. Just try not to pull away or hit you.
Okay.
Okay.
I won't hit you.
A lot of people do.
Oh my gosh.
All right. Deep breath in. Just relax. Deep breath in. Deep breath in. Don't move. Don't move.
Sorry.
If you pull away, we'll have to do it again, okay? You can do it. Great job. That's
Okay.
one. And then we just have to do one more, okay?
Uh-huh. That hurts.
All right. You can do this. Ready? Pull the tissues down a little bit more. Deep breath in. Deep breath in. Great job, man.
Yeah, Maddie.
Oh my god, that was atrocious. That was worse than getting a camera on my nose.